SAMS Odisha releases PG Admission 2026 counselling schedule, Round 1 seat allotment on August 7th. COM EDK UGET 2026 seat allotment results out. ISRO opens applications for 244 administrative vacancies. Registration closes on August 16th. Physics Wala rolls out scholarships for children of Navy personnel. IIT Madras revises GATE 2027 biotechnology syllabus. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we bring you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. I am Ankita Debroy reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: the Department of Higher Education Odisha has announced the counselling schedule for SAMS Odisha PG Admission 2026-2027. Candidates seeking admission to postgraduate programs can check the complete timeline on the official SAMS Odisha portal. As per the schedule, the Round 1 seat allotment will be published on August 7th, 2026. Selected candidates must complete admission formalities, including online fee payment and document verification, within the stipulated deadline. Applicants who are not allotted a seat in the first round will have opportunities to participate in subsequent counselling rounds based on seat availability. The department has advised candidates to regularly monitor the official website for updates and strictly adhere to the admission schedule to avoid missing important deadlines. The Consortium of Medical, Engineering and Dental Colleges of Karnataka has declared the Round 1 seat allotment results for UGET 2026 on its official website. Candidates who participated in the counselling process can log into the COM EDK portal using their credentials to check and download their allotment status. Along with the results, the engineering cutoff ranks have also been released. Candidates allotted seats must complete the decision-making process, pay the required admission fee within the prescribed timeline, and report to their allotted colleges if they have choose the accept and freeze option. Those seeking better options can participate in the subsequent counselling rounds according to the official schedule. The Indian Space Research Organization has released the recruitment notification for 244 administrative posts, including assistant, junior personal assistant, upper division clerk, and stenographer, under the Centralized Recruitment Board. The online application process commenced on July 27, 2026, and eligible candidates can submit their applications until August 16, 2026 through the official recruitment portal. The recruitment drive covers vacancies across various ISRO centers and departments of space units. Candidates will be selected through a written examination followed by a skill test for applicable posts. Interested applicants are advised to verify the eligibility criteria, complete the registration within the deadline, and regularly check the official website for further updates regarding the recruitment process. Education platform Physics Wala has partnered with Navy Welfare and Wellness Association to introduce scholarship initiative aimed at supporting educational aspirants of children from Indian Navy families. The program will provide financial assistance and access to PW's learning sources, helping students prepare for competitive examinations and strengthen their academic performance. The collaboration reflects a shared commitment to making quality education more accessible for defense families and recognizing the contribution of Navy personnel. Through this initiative, eligible students will benefit from reduced financial barriers while accessing structured learning support. The scholarship program is expected to create greater educational opportunities for Navy families and encourage students to pursue higher education and competitive career pathways. The Indian Institute of Technology Madras, the organizing institute for GATE 2027, has revised the biotechnology paper syllabus and expanded the available two-paper combination for candidates. The updated syllabus introduces changes to align the examination with emerging developments in biotechnology and related fields. Along with the syllabus revision, candidates appearing for GATE 2027 will have more flexibility to select additional paper combinations during the application process. The revised structure aims to provide aspirants with wider academic choices and better opportunities based on their interests and career goals. IIT Madras has advised candidates to review the updated syllabus and examination guidelines carefully while preparing for the upcoming Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering 2027.